So fucking retarded, bhai. It's so fucking cringe. It's such a fucking pain being friends with you, bhai. Mysore vlog. Subah 5 a.m. railway station. It's fucking cold. Everything is freezing. Adi is frozen.
No, I have my
Ahmad is
beanie.
zooming.
I have my beanie.
You have your beanie.
I have my beanie.
You have your beanie.
Not freezing.
Yo. Yeah. We don't have a concrete plan.
Why am I?
Hold it however you want.
I hold it.
Okay. We do not have a concrete plan. We have a lot of places that we need to go to. Okay. Look at me, not the Kishore. But we can't cover them in one day.
The main spots are Vrindavan Garden and Town Day. Vrindavan Garden is a school place. It has this huge wall and it's holding water. It's like a Attack on Titan shit, but instead of a Titan, it's holding water. It's like a dam. And then there's Town Garden, where you walk around and but the problem with it is, it's like a place where you take a family or you go on a date. It's really good. It's really good. But like, a group of boys can date. And Town Day is like a hill station. You go out often, weather changes and you didn't try. And both are like summer days.
It's late.
Guys,
वो हमेशा ऐसा ही होता है. Honest reaction.
as a KPMG
Ahmad, you are
rejects
covering the train. Ahmad, so tall, is covering the train. क्यों?
KPMG rejects.
Should I jump? KPMG reject. Should I jump, chat? Affirm yes and we'll put the show.
I guess let's see you inside the scene.
Guys, we are acting like we don't know each other.
Hey, why are you recording in the train, bro?
किसी को भी रिकॉर्ड करने का मतलब है ना
भाई,
Someone sleeping. 6:50 पे जाओ. When you reach 8:30.
we are moving. अरे रुक जा ना, रुक जा तू जा.
Then you will be alone. No, we need to pretend we don't know.
I like to.
We do not know each other. Who are you?
Why are you recording?
ऐसे ही sexy लग रहा है.
Bro, are
अरे
you?
भाई मेट्रो.
Guys, say hi to Ramesh. ये इधर भी आके क्लैश रॉयल खेल.
What if I miss it?
तुम्हें इतना टाइम से
Why the clash?
What? Everybody's asleep. Why is man looking so? Why is he looking so pretty while sleeping? What the hell? Ahmad is pretty. Should sleep. Gang has reached Mysore. We are sleep deprived. Hey, can we go back home? Can we catch train? Just go home and sleep.
Yeah, fuck bhai, I'm done. We're done.
That's it.
Trip is over.
Trip is
हाँ
Johari.
बोलता रहे यार ये ट्रेन तो हिलने वाली नहीं है यहीं पे सो जाता है 6 घंटा से
The auto thing has been corrupted like crazy. These people are making them walk a lot and they are hungry.
What up?
This is Haider Raqib.
Ah yes, this is Haider Raqib, right?
Yes, part of our gang. I've always seen them. Yes. Auto media.
20 rupees per bus.
We have come to a place called Vinayaka Mailari and they don't have a menu, they don't have anything. You just come sit and they're just giving you whatever. They gave us dosas, masala dosas.
Wife simulator.
Why?
I don't know. Very unique taste.
Open it and show.
Yeah, masala, bro. I mean, I have never seen anything like this.
Yeah, neither have I.
Bro, they done gave me banana leaves. Do I look like a fucking giraffe or what?
You look like a monkey.
What the hell, why just banana leaves? What am I supposed to eat now? So the wife
Also, Haruto and Ramiz alag ho gaye. Haruto and Ramiz sitting with random aunties.
We made them do.
Guys, हमारा डोसा अब आया है, रमीज का खा के हो गया.
मैं तो भाई जा रहा
भाई
हूँ.
2 डोसा खा लिया है.
Yeah.
Eat a third one.
Even he ate.
Go sit down, you get a third one.
I don't want to get a third one.
Ek.
I want to get a third one, bhai. I didn't like it that much.
Like, he doesn't want to get the third one, it seems. He doesn't have a choice.
You don't have a choice, bro. Just go sit down. They'll serve you. You eat.
This is what
Once
this
they
is.
stop serving you, you leave. Honestly, not that good. Not, quite mid, in fact. Lots of butter. The butter is carrying the dosa. The chutney is very watery for some reason. Good experience. You sit down, they serve you dosas, but
You don't have a choice.
you don't have a choice. There's no menu here. There's only one kind of dosa. They give you that, and you eat that, and you leave. But honestly, apart from the experience, the dosa was quite mid.
Like a 4 out of 10.
Yeah, like a 4 out of 10.
Adi review.
Whatever he
इसको
said.
अच्छा लगा.
I liked it though, not gonna lie.
I liked the dosa. Was pretty. I would say I'm kind of critical about the masala inside it. And yeah, same about the chutney. It was way too watery. But the texture was good. I would give 6.
4 out of 10. I prefer my dosas crispy and hard and choices. Boys doing their skincare.
Bro, cloudy with a chance of meatballs.
Bro, got it.
Tourist by tourist.
What happened, bro?
Our ticket leke we are finally inside Mysore Palace.
Just the faculty thing didn't work.
Yeah, we tried to get the student prices which are like lower than half. We made Hamad the teacher. We were like, we showed our college ID cards. They were like a principal का sign letter सब कुछ चाहिए.
HOD का permission, HOD
हाँ.
का sign.
Yeah.
Be prepared now.
Next time be prepared. Yes.
Ain't to be next time.
Send men to war and they'll still take low exposure aesthetic pictures. Live example. Come here. See my vision. Instead of instead of these pillars, they were like huge screens where they played Subway Surfers gameplay and they spoke about a topic like 6, 7, and every third meal they showed an ad. And we made a revenue out of it. Wouldn't it be better?
I could get behind that.
I don't know, we are in Throne Room or something. Silver chairs. Oh damn. Chairs made of silver, ceiling made of wood.
तो बैठ के प्रोफेसर फील हो जाएगी क्या?
Low-key, they don't have a gaming chair here. That's kind of sad. Imagine being the emperor and still not owning a gaming chair. Couldn't be me.
L. Kings and queens took mirror selfies right here. I know it. It's historically accurate.
We are a part of history now.
We are a part of the mirror
They
selfies.
used to put cream powder, कंघी वगैरह.
Bottom.
यहाँ पे बोरोलिन है.
Either sunscreen or the paintings here are really pretty though. Damn. Okay.
Imagine if the king is doing this.
Yeah, the king definitely did that, bro. Ashok is done. He does not like historical places at all. Guess what I have found? I have found a camel. Let me get closer to it. Chida raha hai camel. Man is angry, I think.
I don't think that we're supposed to be here.
You're not supposed to be here. Definitely not supposed to be here. We are here in our hotel. This is our Darbar. Yes, sir. Hamari biryani is here.
Imagine
Yes.
It looks tiny in camera.
Biryani the long way.
Size of biryani.
Longer than Hamad somehow.
yes. Longer than my leg. Guys, bismillah kariye.
Like 4 kgs of biryani. 5 hungry dudes.
We forgot Ramesh. Ramesh ki meeting aa
Always
gayi.
forget Ramesh.
We genuinely forgot to rate our biryani or review it. We got so busy eating it.
I mean, we are still eating it.
How is it?
The biryani is amazing. How do I give constructive criticism? Bola bhai.
It's a घर की biryani type. It's like
I would say it's a 7.9 out of 10.
This tastes like the biryani you get at a wedding.
but it's like a घर बनाई हुई wedding. Like the way it's cooked. It's like weddings have like too much oil in it and shit.
Yeah, that's true. But it's a good taste. It's a very different flavor from things we get in Bangalore.
And we got the wedding ka meetha.
Loki, we're having just wedding catering खा रहे हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे genuinely.
Kebab और ये सब.
Actually.
Mad how is it?
बिरयानी के नाम पे सब खाते बोला और ये असल बिरयानी खाने तो मैसूर पाव.
Adi and Haruto locked in.
Yes,
Adi review.
The words can't describe. Bro, mutton is goated.
Mutton is goated. That's true. It is a
Mutton is goated.
One.
No, actually it's genuinely good. Like I would prefer to come to Mysore someday just to have biryani and go back. So it's a really worthy experience. And nice. I would give like 9.
Yes, sir. So 9 from me as well. I like this place. Guys, we are here at Bird Sanctuary. हम क्या करना है इधर?
हम लोग we are pulling up to
कौवा
see
उड़।
depressed birds. in
कौवा
depressed
उड़ करने
places.
आया भाई.
वाह, उड़.
We are here to see depressed birds in depressed places.
Depressed burbs in depressed places.
कोई जो zoo में है, I saw literally it was like most dangerous animal ever, and there's just a fucking mirror there.
Yeah, humans are dangerous.
Says the monkey.
Clap करो जोर से. Bro is waiting for a shelter to come and bite it. He either एक एक रोक इधर एक
Yoink at
Yoink, go yoink that
fishing
dog.
arrow, fishing arrow.
Face. Bro is yearning. It's never over.
So fucking retarded, bhai. It's so fucking cringe. It's such a fucking pain being friends with you, bhai. जहाँ भी खाने जाओ, fucking camera निकाल के record करने लगता है like a fucking snob. Let me enjoy my fucking food, bro. I don't wanna act funny. I'm not silly. I don't wanna act anything for your content. It's fucking retarded, bro. It's over. Our friendship is just content for you. Your hangouts is just content for you. It's so fucking materialistic, bro. When you come hang out with us, you're like, no, I'm not gonna spend time with homies. Oh, content mil raha hai, bhai. So, that's it for my rant.
I don't feel that way, but okay.
Be original, man. Can't be fucking.
Bhai, we can just mention names and he's gonna rant about shit. Damn, Hanging Bridge.
Yes, it's the
What's your review of Hanging Bridge?
There's nothing. Hang me here. Hang me
You
here.
cannot enjoy anything. You have to have
You can hang me here. You can hang all of
tree break.
Tree break. Okay, we are done with the tree break.
dips. Nice dips, please.
The kar dips kar. They need to be on camera.
Come on, man.
They're kissing.
Nah, man. I'll take a photo of that bridge. Man. हल्का पकड़ को.
We are on Jamundi Hill and
What's
my
up, what's
will to
up?
live has gone away.
Our will to sleep is up right now. We are so
Yeah,
sleepy.
so
We are so tired.
grass somewhere. Oof.
Dude, but you know, the ones who were sleeping, they missed out on the whole upper wala bhai, you know, so beautiful. What's up?
What's up? I'm getting a piggyback ride. First time ever as an adult. Okay, bhai. Genuinely top 10 experience.
How does it feel to ride on Rami's back?
Man is putting in effort, bhai. Oh my god. I love you,
How
bro.
does it feel to carry my world upon your shoulders?
Oh my god. ये elite level flirting चल रहा है भाई.
Oh my god. Bro is putting. Bhai, थक जाएगा. छोड़.
आजा आजा चल.
Rami's just carrying all my
Guys, हम घूर फिर के आ गए हैं.
Corner house in fucking Mysore. बहनचोद बैंगलोर से मैसूर आए कॉर्नर हाउस जाने के लिए.
Yes. Mysore budget was going well, but it exploded as soon as we have come to Corner House. We got some expensive ass ice cream. Obviously, we got a truffle cake, BBC, Keka Mocha,
super scooper.
Super Scooper, and Rami's. My favorite flavor.
It's a lot of ice cream. But we are grown as adults. We know how to spend our money. Instead of having dinner, we're having fucking ice cream.
मुझे खिला.
Have some
Nobody.
mint ice cream.
Bro, that's so good.
Oh my god, that is so good. Okay, 10 on 10 way to end